Pierre Lacour, originally Delacour, was born April 15, 1745, died January 28, 1814, was a French painter. His first artistic studies were in the workshop of the engraver, André Lavau. In 1764, he went to Paris to continue his studies with the painter, Joseph-Marie Vien. He was awarded second place in the Prix de Rome of 1769. He spent some time in Rome sometime around 1771 and became an agrégé at the Académie nationale des sciences, belles-lettres et arts de Bordeaux in 1772. 2 years later, he was named an Academician. In 1778, he married Catherine Chauvet. Documents from that time give his occupation as history painter. During the Revolution, he was a drawing teacher at the École centrale and maintained the old municipal drawing school at his personal expense. His first exhibit at the Salon came in 1796, the same year he was named a corresponding member of the Académie des beaux-arts. 3 years later, he was elected to the Académie of Sciences. In 1801, he founded the Musée des beaux-arts de Bordeaux and became its first curator. In 1803, he became a professor and, from 1804 until his death, served as the director of the School of Painting and Design.